Hi, I'm Shannon Rollins with Shannon Rollins Real Estate. Are you looking for places to cool down this summer? In the heat of the summer, it is vital to know places you can go cool down. And in the CSRA, there are a ton of options for splash pads and public pools. The Evans Town Center Park in Evans, Georgia, which is rated as one of the top parks in the CSRA in Evans, Georgia, has a great splash pad, and it's got a playground, it's got covered seating and nearby restrooms. It's a great place for the family. In North Augusta, Riverview Park is another super option with splash pad, playground, grassy area for running around in, lots of trees for shade, and also public restrooms are nearby. One of the best things about these splash pads is that they're free. If you need more water to dive into, though, you may want to check out the Kroc Center in Augusta, Georgia. It's an affordable and a popular spot. You can go enjoy the leisure pool and cool down, or stay indoors at the indoor water park. Or in North Augusta, the Hammond Suburban Club is a great option. They have individual and family memberships available to the public. It's a great place to take a swim. For more information on other places to go, click on the links below. And if you know of anybody thinking about buying or selling and wants to take advantage of the market before the market adjusts, give me a call. My team and I are on standby 7 days a week, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., ready to help you take the smoother road to sold.